Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select the chart layers on the Navionics Boating application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a few minutes when the application is uploading. And new, click to the layers icon at the lower left corner of the screen. Here you can find the first option, the chart layers, and you can find the nautical chart or the sonar chart option, and just select one, for example the sonar chart, and click that, and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.